Hi there. In this quick video, let us see how to use Callable, surround with Callable in IntelliJ. To surround with Callable, you have to just type C and you'll be able to get it, right? So you'll get the Callable block. Other way to do that is to do Command J, and you will see that for inserting a live template, you can use this and create a callable object, right? I mean callable block. Now we have to provide the content for the callable. So let us create a simple for I loop here and try to add from 0 to, let's say, 1 lakh, and so we need to have a sum plus equal to I, which is a slightly long running task, right? And we can create a local variable here. Okay, I think it has to go out of this block so that we can use it later. So let's break it into declaration and assignment and move this up and align it, and we'll be able to return the sum. Okay, so with this we have created a callable now, and let's consume this callable. So how do we consume the callable? So we can create an executor and create a new executors dot new single thread executor, right? And let's pass this callable inside the submit method and get the result and print it out, right? Now you can see an error here. It's because there's an exception that needs to be handled. All right, I think we have completed here, and yeah, it initialize the variable. Yes, so here we go. Let's see if it works. Yes, it does work, but you can see that the executor is still running, so you have to terminate it. So let's come back here, select this and extract it into a variable, and now we can say dot shutdown, and this should terminate as well now. Yeah, with that we're able to successfully use a callable object which returns and submit it to a executor which returns a future object, and we can use the get method to get the executed value once this computation is complete. And don't forget to shut down the execute service after you complete the execution with the callable object. Do try it out.